Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write MIDI in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with writing MIDI tracks. The first thing we want to do, guys, is go ahead and find the keyboard. So let's go ahead and scroll until we find the keyboard. Here is our keyboard right here, and you can even click on more sounds to select that kind of keyboard that you want to use. You can see you have your keyboards right here. So let's go ahead and select classical grand, and this is now going to go ahead and enable us to get started recording our keyboards. As you can see here, we can get started recording. So what you want to do is click the big red circle at the top of the screen. This is going to start the recording process, and then you can get started playing your tunes. So after finishing, guys, and recording it, you want to go into editing mode right here in the upper left corner. Click on the button for opening up mixing mode right here, where you can find the tracks that we have. And guys, here is our track that we have recorded on our keyboard. So I have already looped it, so it's going to appear right here, and now we can get started with seeing the notes. So if you tap on it, if you by tapping on your track, it's going to open up this new menu where you can click the edit option, and in the edit option you can see all the notes that have been played, and this is how you can write your MIDI notes. You can see the notes that have been played. You can go ahead and play new notes and get your desired MIDI track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.